This program contains graphic material, including offensive language. Viewer discretion is advised.
So what's up everybody, Retro Speckles here, back at y'all with a new video, and today's video is going to be a full restoration / customization of these candy cane 14s that I'm going to be turning into white cement 14s. So yeah, I'm going to be showing y'all the whole process of customizing or restoring of these shoes. So as you can see, I stripped off the paint off the midsole because I'm going to go ahead and start repainting these. Alright y'all, so another thing we got to touch up on the midsole before I start painting these is decreasing the midsole, because it does have some pretty nasty creases here and there, and I don't want the creases there on my final product, so I'm going to go ahead and remove them with the steamer. Alright y'all, so y'all probably most likely wondering, what gray am I using to customize these into white cement 14s? As you can see here on the left, I have a bottle of white cement gray, which is already pre-mixed by Angelus. This bottle of gray matches the gray on the new release white cement 4s from 2012. And on the right, I just have a bottle of light gray paint. I'm not going to be using the pre-mixed gray just because I don't like that shade of gray. It's really ugly in my opinion. It's too dark. And just to let y'all know, the light gray isn't a perfect match for the paint on the 99 white cement 4s. For all of you wondering, what paint am I using? What's the match for the white cements? This light gray is not a perfect match for it. I'm not using any perfect match for this custom. I'm just using a light gray. It looks a lot similar to the white cement gray, but it's not the perfect match. So yeah, I just thought I'd let y'all know because I know a lot of people are going to be asking this question. And I will have the link in the description where you can find all these paints that I'm using down below. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start hitting it up with the speckles. All I'm gonna be doing is dipping the brush in black paint and flicking it at the midsole, and that will give you the speckles. It's very simple, but if y'all want a video on how to do it, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll do it. But yeah, let's get started on the speckles. Alright, so first of all, I want to give a big shout out to Sophisticated for inspiring this video and custom. I was originally going to do an all white custom. This is not my pair, this is a customer's pair. He requested that I do an all white custom on these, but Sophisticated said, how about you do a white cement custom on them? So I thought about it, it looked real clean in my mind, and I told the customer about it and he was down. So yeah, this is what we got right here, the final product, and it's really dope. So shouts out to Sophisticated for the idea and the inspiration. Go ahead and follow her on Instagram at Sophisticated. But yeah, let me know what you think about this custom down below in the comments. Let me know. And if you need a restoration or if you want a custom done, hit me up on Instagram at Jose Reminisce. Go ahead and follow me to stay updated with me and all my pictures and all my videos that way. So yeah, just hit me up on my DMs and let me know what you need. The best way to get in contact with me on Instagram is through the DM. So yeah, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Jose Reminisce. Also, please like this video and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about this video, letting me know what you think about this custom. Really appreciate the feedback. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to my weekly secret videos, and thanks for watching.